Now let's get into this peach cobbler. You need about 4 cans of peaches and heavy syrup, sugar, a little helper, and pie crust. Now pour all the peaches in a pot. You're going to bring to a boil. We're going to add about 4 cups of sugar. We're going to add some extract, 2 different flavors I will not share. Sorry guys, it's a family secret. You're going to boil this about 5 to 10 minutes. Add some butter. I use vegan butter, and now we're going to do the filling for the cobbler. Okay, you're going to spread that into a Pyrex dish or pie pan. Add your crust. Spread some butter, spread some sugar, and then add some juice, because don't nobody want no dry peach cobbler. We're going to put this in the oven, and we're going to put on 350 and brown till golden brown, so we can do the same process all over again. And with redoing this process, as you see, we are layering the peach filling back over the crust. We're going to add another layer of pie crust. You're going to spread the butter, sprinkle some sugar, and you're also going to add the filling juice, because like I said, nobody wants a dry peach cobbler. All my peach cobblers are juicy. You're going to also put this back in the oven. The oven should still be on 350, and so it can get a golden brown crust. And ta-da, look at that. And all you need is some ice cream to top it. It is a wonderful dish. My Southern style peach cobbler, placed first with the cook-off with KTSM here in El Paso at Studio 9. You better ask somebody. Your girl got skills. Enjoy.